Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to install your Ranger big winch bumper. First, you want to remove your factory bumper. There are 4 bolts that hold it on, 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom. Once you have taken the bolts out of your bumper, you're ready to remove it. Now that you're ready to put your Thumper Fab big winch bumper onto your frame, put your 2 upper bolts in the frame to provide hardware. Hardware kit comes with the bottom bolt, and there's 2 middle bolts that go into the frame where your original winch mounted. The 2 middle bolts are between your upper and lower mount. You can access them through the holes in the bottom. Now we got your upper installed. You tighten all 6 of your mounting bolts, and you're ready with your winch on. Shows the rings and the bull bar kit with your bumper. We're going to show you how to install them now. You want to start with one of your wings. You have 3 mounting holes. You'll line them up with the mounting holes on your bumpers. Now you want to take the nut and slide it down the inside of the wing and set it in place. And you'll take your bolts and put them on the underside and you start it using the nut. Now you're ready to start your other 2 bolts to the wing to come up from the bottom and on top. You're almost done now. You want to make sure all your wires are ran correctly and your bolts are tight and you're ready to hit the trail.